How many get busted hoses in the field? Your hose ever bust in the field? Break, bust open? They make repair kits. I don't know if you know that they make a 2-wire and a single wire, and you got to have a way to cut the hose though. But you can cut the hose and you can mend it, and it'll last probably just as long as a new one. Now, once you start busting it 2 or 3 times, I get rid of the hose because it's not worth saving. It's breaking down inside. And the first time I would try to save it, maybe the second, but after that I wouldn't. I'd throw it away. And that's kind of one reason I run 50 foot, 100 foot, 50 foot, 50 foot, 100 foot, 50 foot on my reels, because I bypass my hose reels when I wash, and we'll talk about that. But that way, if I bust a hose, it's only a 50 or 100 foot, and it's easy to replace. I got them quick connected on. It looks like crap when you roll it up, but it works for me. And you can use a hacksaw. It's just a metal, just cut it there. My old truck had a hot water. Well, this one has hot water, but it doesn't have a generator. It's a 12 volt. My old one had a generator on the hot water machine. I just plugged up my grinding wheel and just cut it. But now I work by myself. I got 22-inch hose reels. I carry 300 to 400 feet on my hose reel. Typically don't use but 200 at the most. So if one break, I just pull another one off. I always overbuild what I need. That way, if something breaks, I'm usually okay to get through the job.
For more information on this topic, please join me at my free 2-day training event November 9th and 10th in Sandestin, Florida. You can register on my website, click the banner halfway down the main page. And if you need any other information, please feel free to reach out to us. Stay humble and hustle hard, my friends.